Welcome to this 10-minute standing Pilates workout focusing on leg strength, and as an option we're going to use a foam roller throughout the class. Hi, my name is Beth and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. If you're ready to get stronger legs and work on balance, grab your foam roller and join me for this Pilates class. Let's go ahead and begin standing. So the foam roller is in front of you. We'll just do some warm-up exercises first and pressing hands down on top of the foam roller. Bend the knees and straight. Bend and straight. So this first motion shouldn't be too much work for body, maybe not too challenging for balance as well. Don't worry, we'll mix it up in just a little bit. 2 more times. Now keep the knees straight, heels come up and up. And you don't even necessarily need hands on the foam roller, or they're just there as a reminder that we're going to gently press into the foam roller for some of the exercises coming up pretty soon here. 2, 1. Very nice. Now, put one foot underneath the foam roller, same hand on top of the foam roller, and just lift leg up, lower down. Lift thigh up, lower down. So trying to stay very still with the rest of the body as leg lifts. Next time, leg lowers, we're going to let it skim through, press back, pivoting body forward, and then come back up, lift leg. So a little bit more work for balance. Continue pressing, hand to foam roller, foot into foam roller. As you're doing this rock motion. We'll do one last time. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just caught myself tipping a little bit too much. Nice. Switch sides. So opposite foot. Getting comfortable with that press and lift the leg in front. So for most of us, this lift in front is going to feel a little bit more manageable, a little bit easier compared to when we start taking that leg back behind. We're going to let the leg skim through this next time. Pivot forward, press and push. With leg and arm. You can always let the foot rest in between, a little balance check, or try to keep your foot, your moving leg, off of the floor. And it's not uncommon to have one side that maybe feels a little bit easier than the other, or days that seem more challenging for balance. But balance is an important component of overall fitness, and we want to keep working with it to find improvement. One last time here. Very nice. Take both legs underneath you now. Take hold of the foam roller with the hands and sit back into the pelvis. Reach your arms up. Return. So sit back, return. This is different than the first movement we did. The first movement we did, we were staying vertical with the spine, and now we have a small pivot forward, but focus more on that leg movement than how much the spine is coming forward. One last time. Very nice. We'll take the foam roller down once again. Legs go wide and bend. Bend. And again, this is one where you don't necessarily need the roller. If you want just hands off or hands stay pressing down into it, your choice here. 2, Keep the knees bent, heels lift and lift and lift. Again, hands can be off the roller, your choice. 2, 1, heels down, press to straight. Now rotate to one side. We're going into a lunge, opposite hand on the roller as foot in front. Bend the knee and straight. Bend and straight. Again, foam roller here would be an option. I really like it because what you can try to do is maybe feel more square, more centered, more stable. Keep breathing. The knee may graze the mat or even touch the floor, and that's okay. 2 more times. Very nice. Come back to center and switch out your sides. Bend. Bend. Breathing in and out. Really use strong legs to get you down and back up again. Of course, that up is important. 2 more times. Very nice. Center. Go back, wide leg position. Bend and bend. Breathing in and out. Just 2, 1. Now bring your legs together, feet right in line with one another, parallel, heel lift. So back to the heel lift. Deep breathing. Sometimes it's nice to give a little sigh, release any extra work where you don't want to be working, shoulders, neck. Nice. Take foam roller off to one side. Lift that same leg up. So foam roller, leg lift, and single leg, heel lift. Single leg, heel lift. So using a little balance to do the single leg heel lift. Keep breathing and really try to get that heel up and up. 2, 1, nice. Switch sides. When you're ready, lift. And you can always do kickstand with this foot or full lift. So just test it out. What option feels most beneficial? That doesn't have to be the hardest one. Really lifting heel up to down. Maintaining your breathing. 2 more times. Very nice. Both feet down. Right back to how we got started, bend. So when you do this right now, staying vertical with the spine, heels staying down, pelvis staying right over ankles. We'll switch this in just a moment. 2, 1. Again, take hold of the foam roller. Now press the pelvis back, lift arms up. Return. Press. Press gently in on the foam roller here the entire time with the palms of the hands. Keep breathing. We're almost there. 2, 1. We're going back into that tick-tock motion. 1 foot, hand. Lift up right away. Tick-tock it back. Continue at your own pace. Sometimes it's nice to slow this one a little bit down compared to what we were just doing with the opposite exercise or different exercise. One last time. Very nice. Switch out your sides. So right away, tick-tock it. Use that breath. I sure do notice a difference. One side compared to the other. especially today. So just allowing for more awareness without judgment, being interested in the differences, balance work compared to more strength work as well. One last time. Very nice. The foam roller, come in front of you. Do just one knee bend. Legs go straight. Another knee bend to straight. One last time. Now lift heels up just 3 times. 2, 3. Bend the knees, heels lift, straight, lower. Bend, lift heels, straight legs, lower. We're going to reverse this. Up, bend, heels down. One last time. Very nice. Keep the legs straight. Keep breathing in and out. And notice that strong connection into your legs. That's the power of vertical work. It's a wonderful class to combine with any other class. You can even repeat this one more time if you want, after you give yourself another minute or so break. Hey there, if you liked moving with that class and you're really looking to establish a strong foundation with the Pilates method to get stronger and more flexible, more mobile, the best thing that you can do is follow a plan. You can do this by moving with the 7-day at-home Pilates challenge. Whether you're brand new to Pilates or you're just getting back into Pilates after some time off, this is a perfect series to set you up for success with the method. 7 workouts, beginner level, giving you time and space to find the right variation for where you are right now. And when you do that, that's how you're going to get stronger and more flexible in a way that makes sense for you. All that you need to do is sign up using the link below in the first comment. After you sign up, we'll send you all the details and the first workout so you can get moving with Pilates. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I cannot wait for you to join me on the mat.